Okay guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to be showing you guys how car wash mode works on the Tesla Model 3 and in all Teslas now. This feature is great. So what you want to do first is hit this car right here, and then you go to service and you hit car wash mode. It gives you a description of what it does. Basically, car wash mode closes all windows, locks in charge port, disables windshield wipers, sentry mode, walk away door locks, parking sensor and chimes for automatic car washes with conveyor belts, free roll option shifts to neutral, and prevents the parking brake from automatically applying if you leave. Car wash mode will exit if the vehicle speed exceeds 10 miles an hour. Enter. As you can see, it will lock the charge port door, walk away door lock, automatic wipers off, parking assist chimes off, sentry mode off, climate recirculating, front closed, trunk closed, and you can also fold the mirrors if you want, which I had already done. But yeah, so basically that is how car wash mode works, and I'm just going to now go inside of this car wash. I only use touchless car washes, and this one is located in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'm going to put in my numbers and get this started.